हेलो दोस्तों, शुभ रात्रि में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। और ये है हमारा डे 12 सीरीज़ का। हमें अभी पता नहीं है, हम काउंट करके आपको क्या कहते हैं कंटेंट में डाल देंगे। जिसको भी आप जो कहते हो, जो भी आप उसे कहते हो, उसमें डाल देंगे। तो अभी तक हमने पढ़ लिया है पतंजलि योग सूत्र 31, 32 पर हैं हम। तो अभी हुआ तो हम वो पढ़ते हैं। पढ़ना तो है, मतलब यार क्या बात कर रहा हूँ अभी। मिट्ठू बुला रहा है, लग रहा है मिट्ठू को लेके आते हैं। आ रहा हूँ दोस्तों।
छलकाते छलकाते।
हम लोग आ चुके हैंगे, ठीक है। तो क्या हुआ कि ना थोड़ा सा मिट्टू को लाने में टाइम लग गया, समझ रहे हो ना मेरी बातें। हाँ, तो मिट्टू को लाने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लग गया, तो हम लोग आ चुके हैं और अपना सूत्र स्टार्ट करते हैं। पतंजलि योग सूत्र 32 तत् प्रतिषेधा अर्थ मेकता तत्वाभ्यास। tat means there, प्रतिषेध means prevention, artham means for the sake of, eka means one, single, tattva means subject, true principle, reality, abhyasa means practice, the practice of concentration on a single subject or the use of one thing technique is the best way to prevent the obstacles and their accompaniments. The point here is that we should not keep changing our object of concentration. When you decide on one thing, stick to it whatever happens. There is no value in digging shallow wells in 100 places. Decide on one place and dig deep. Even if you encounter a rock, use dynamite and keep going down. If you leave that to dig another well, all the first effort is wasted and there is no proof you would not hit rock again. Before you start digging, analyze well and find out which spot is good. Then once you decide and begin, you should not question in further, go right at it, because it will be too late then to think whether it is worthwhile or not. You should have done the before. Even if it is a long route, your perseverance will make it short. Our aim is to make the mind steady, so it is immaterial what object we take. Anything can take you to the goal because you are not concentrating on the object for the sake of the object but for the sake of your goal. The object is only a symbol of that. We should always remember this. All our ideas, objects, or even mantras are just symbols, so to hold on to as aid toward the goal. Behind the objects, you should always remember the goal. Tastes, temperaments, and capacities differ, so you should not criticize other people's objects of meditation because you have selected another. They are approaching the same goal through their objects. Just as you have confidence in your object, they too have that confidence in their way. We should not disturb other people's faith or nor let other slaves get disturbed from our faith. Stick to one thing and frog ahead with that. Why do you want to have this one pointed concentration? To make the mind clear so you can transcend it. You are not going to cling to the object but just use
it as a ladder to climb up. Once you have reached the roof, you leave the ladder behind. No, now in the following sutras, Patanjali gives certain suggestions for attaining and maintaining the one-pointedness. We can easily see what a bold outlook he has. He is interested in the goal and not in the paths. He does not try to squeeze you into one particular path. He only gives you a few suggestions and ultimately says that if none of these satisfy you, select whatever you want. He is that liberal, liberal, liberal. That is why yoga is appreciated by everyone. Nobody can deny the yoga philosophy because it has something to suit everyone.
यहाँ पर हमारा पतंजलि योग सूत्र 32 कंप्लीट होता है। आगे के लिए शुभ रात्रि। वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो चुकी है। बाय।